In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy from Alibaba. Alibaba is a fantastic resource for sourcing products from all over the world, especially if you're looking to purchase in bulk or find unique items that aren't available locally. Whether you're an entrepreneur starting a business or simply a savvy shopper, understanding how to navigate Alibaba can open up a world of opportunities. So, let's dive right in and make the process smooth and straightforward for you. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and head on over to Alibaba.com. This is the main website you'll be using. You'll find a wide array of products from countless sellers, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the home page. It's packed with featured deals, trending products, and categories to explore. But don't get lost just yet. Let's focus on finding exactly what you need. Next, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Think of a specific product you're interested in and type the name into the search field. There are thousands of options, so specificity can help narrow down results. After typing, hit enter or click on the search button. This will bring up a list of products and sellers related to your search query. Once you have your search results, take your time to browse through them. Alibaba hosts many sellers, so look for those that have good reviews and ratings. Authentic sellers would typically have plenty of feedback and stars from satisfied buyers. Checking reviews not only helps you gauge product quality, but also the seller's reliability. Don't hesitate to use the chat feature to communicate directly with the seller if you have further inquiries or need clarifications on the product specifications. After you've done your research and feel confident about your choice, it's time to add the item to your cart. Decide on the quantity you need by entering the desired amount. Pay attention to any minimum order requirements that sellers might have, especially if you're looking to buy in bulk for business purposes. Once you've set your quantity, click Add to Cart. Now, with your desired items in the cart, navigate to the checkout section. Review your cart to ensure all products, quantities, and details are correct. Once satisfied, go ahead and proceed to checkout. Here, you'll be prompted to choose a payment method. Alibaba supports various options, including credit cards, bank transfers, and even e-wallets, so pick what works best for you. And that's it! You've successfully navigated the Alibaba platform and made a purchase. Remember, patience is key when dealing with international sellers, as shipping times might vary. Keep track of your order through Alibaba's order tracking feature, and don't hesitate to communicate with the seller if you have any questions during the delivery process. Happy shopping!